Good morning YouTube, welcome to John's Garden Maintenance folks. You're all doing well. Going to swing our camera around and show you what we have these today. Right guys, I have the grass stumped out around the perimeter, around the wee tree, around all the edges. Now I'm going to stick a edge and around here and down around here. Won't be putting an edge here because if you look closely it's all concrete and that's where it comes to, so that basically like that the whole way up, so I won't be putting an edge there. Guys, just a wee tip for anybody out there that's got a new lawn edger. When you're trying to find your edge, here's the next door neighbour's garden, so we want to just create a wee line here, a wee edge. So as you can see, I can't see it here, it's hid. So I'm going to take it up to here, wee tip. I find it the whole way down, because if I start down there, I'll be all over the place, it'll be like a wacky races. So stay tuned. So that's that wee job in that, folks. So come on here now a wee bit. It's hard to find at this stage. There's a couple of wee branches I'm going to nip in this laburnum tree. The golden range, the golden rain chain. Absolutely stunning. That like wisteria. Guys, where is the weather going, hey? Seriously? Oh nice, serious rain. Absolute nightmare. So I'm around the back of this wee job. I'm going to swing the camera around, show you what we have here. So yeah, we have these lawns, guys. They tidy up these lawns. And I'm going to be trimming these privet hedges. Probably do a wee step on these privet hedges. Jump on the van for 5, get a wee smoke, and we'll be back at it, guys. Okay folks, now I've strummed round all these edges. As you can see, this garden's up and down, it's pretty bad shape. So I've done all around these edges. I'm going to blow everything on now under this lawn. I have to cut this privet hedge, tidy up this wee bit. I'm going to put a wee edge on along here, and maybe on along here as well. Up around here. So we're on, folks. Stay tuned. What would you do with this hedge? Any advice? Step it, I'm thinking. Put a wee step on it. Maybe a couple of steps. It's a bit raggedy looking. They look as if they've been just lobbed on here without any thought or care. So get the sides first. I always like to cut the sides first. Get the sides trimmed on, and then it gives you a better idea what you're cutting at. So happy days, folks. Guys, as you can see there, that bloody rain again. Can I sit in the van, sun comes out, go back out for 5 minutes, and the rain starts. So I've started stepping this hedge. I'll swing a camera around for you and show you. So I've started to step here. I might start it here, down there, there. So we'll see. I don't know what any other gardeners do, but I don't cut past my customers. I just wail away. So the worst case scenario, the hedge is going to grow back, folks. So just any gardeners out there starting out and freaking out about hedging work, get stuck on it. As I say, worst case scenario, it'll grow back, folks. So don't be worried. That's what you learn. Learn from your mistakes. Cut the sides. And I don't know what I'll do. As I say, I'll sort it out on this some kind of shape. Maybe have a comb down in stages. Then eventually it'll fall out, it'll look nice. So I'm going to jump on the van, folks. So there we have it, guys. Friday evening, another wee job busted. Going to swing a camera around and show you what we've done. So as you can see, we put edges on these lawns, nice lovely edges. Can I get on with these cars? Nice edge up along here, folks. Weeded out the bed. Cut back some mint, just weeded, tidied it up. A few wee bags of bark now, it'll be nice and fresh on top of that. I took a couple of wee branches off the laburnum tree. So that's the front. I'll show you the back, guys. So there we have it. We step on the hedge. It's pretty tough getting that on the ship. Any gardeners will know once you cut hard under the privet, you start going on the thick branch. And you need to get loppers and all sorts out. So grand wee ship here. And here these gaps, that'll all fall out. I'm not worried about that. Same here. This will fall out. And same on here, so that's what that hedge needed, to be honest. A good hard cut. Just done a wee bit of tidying up, a wee bit of weeding around these beds, folks. So happy enough with that. Put a wee edge on along there as well. So raining all day. Now the sun's out and it's really warm. Stay tuned, hope you all have a good weekend. Take care, God bless, stay tuned for the next video.